Hey guys, we received this Medca eye droppers for test and try. This pack of two, bent and straight tip. So they are the calibrated glass medicine droppers for medications or essential oils, or it's like a pipette dropper for the accurate, easy dose. So let me just open up this. So there are two droppers. One is the bent one, and the other one is the straight one. As you can see, they are the glass dropper with this plunging. You can easily take it out, wash up and the clean things to reuse, and is just stain. So the bent one is good for maintaining an accurate dosage, and there the marked measurement on the top, so you can easily do that. Bend also help like in putting something specifically, and with the straight you can easily see it through it. So they are both nice droppers with the glass and the rubber tip or the back, and easy to clean and the wash as well. Graduated markings, so nice droppers.